Phylum CHORDATA, Fishes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes, Mammalia. Top 100 MCQ Part 1. In Part 1 we will discuss 1 to 15 MCQ, which is very important for pre-medical entrance preparation. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Which one of the following is defining feature of chordates? The correct option is option B, notochord. All chordates possess a notochord during at least one stage of development. Notochord is a flexible rod-like structure that provides support. Question number 2. In chordates, the nerve cord is. The correct option is option B, dorsal and hollow. The dorsal hollow nerve cord is a hallmark of chordates, distinguishing them from other phyla with ventral and solid nerve cords. Question number 3. Pharyngeal gills slit are characteristics of. The correct option is option C, all chordates at some stage. All chordates exhibit pharyngeal gill slits either in embryonic or adult stage. Question number 4. Post-anal tail is found in. The correct option is option B, all chordates. The post-anal tail extending beyond the anus is a key feature of chordates, though it may be reduced in adults. Question number 5. In chordates, the heart is generally. The correct option is option C, ventral. Unlike invertebrates, chordates have a ventral heart located on the belly side. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a chordate character? The correct option is option B, exoskeleton. Exoskeleton is not a defining character. Many chordates have endoskeletons. Question number 7. In chordates, the body is. The correct option is option C, bilaterally symmetrical. All chordates are bilaterally symmetrical, meaning their left and right sides are mirror image. Question number 8. The notochord in vertebrates is replaced by. The correct option is option B, vertebral column. In vertebrates, the notochord is replaced by a vertebral column during development. Question number 9. The central nervous system in chordates arises from the. The correct option is option C, ectoderm. The CNS, brain and spinal cord is derived from the ectodermal layer. Question number 10. Which of the following is not a feature of chordates? The correct option is option D, jointed appendage. Jointed appendage are orthopod traits, not chordate defining characters. Question number 11. Which feature distinguishes chordates from non-chordates? The correct option is option C, notochord. Notochord is the exclusive features of chordates. Question number 12. Which of the following structure does not persist in adult humans? The correct option is option A, notochord. In humans, the notochord is replaced by the vertebral column. Question number 13. The chordate features notochord lies. The correct option is option B, below the nerve cord. The notochord is ventral to or beneath the dorsal nerve cord. Question number 14. Chordates possess how many germ layers? The correct option is option C, 3. Chordates are triploblastic, developed from 3 germ layers, either that ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Question number 15. Chordates show segmentation in. The correct option is option B, muscles and vertebral column. Chordates exhibit metameric segmentation in the vertebral column and body musculature. Question number 16. Which of the following is an exclusively chordate feature? The correct option is option C, post-anal tail. While other features are shared with some non-chordates, the post-anal tail is unique to chordates. Question number 17. The xylem in chordates is formed by. The correct option is option B, enterocoeli. In deuterostomes like chordates, xylem forms via enterocoeli from the gut. Question number 18. Which chordate feature is related to respiration and feeding? The correct option is option C, pharyngeal slits. Pharyngeal slits helps in respiration and sometimes filter feeding in lower chordates. Question number 19. In chordates, blood flows through. The correct option is option B, closed circulatory system. All chordates possess a closed circulatory system with blood confined to vessel. Question number 20. Chordates can be distinguished early in the embryonic life by the presence of. The correct option is option C, notochord. Notochord develops early in chordates embryo, making it a useful diagnostic feature. Question number 21. Which of the following is a urochordate? The correct option is option C, Herdmania. Herdmania, either that C. Scott, is a tunicate belonging to the subphylum Urochordata. Question number 22. The notochord in adult cephalochordates. The correct option is option C, persists throughout life. In cephalochordates like Amphioxus, the notochord remains functional throughout life. Question number 23. Which of the following is a non-vertebrate chordate? The correct option is option B, Amphioxus is a non-vertebrate chordate, either that subphylum Cephalochordata, lacking a backbone. Question number 24. Which group is considered the most advanced among chordates? The correct option is option D, mammals. Mammals show the most complex structural and functional characteristics. Question number 25. Urochordates exhibit chordates features in the. The correct option is option B, larval stage only. In Urochordata, only the larva exhibits chordates characters like notochord and dorsal nerve cord. Question number 26. Which of the following shows segmentation, either that metamerism? The correct option is option C, Amphioxus, which belongs to Cephalochordata, shows metameric segmentation like muscles, blocks, myotomes. Question number 27. Which of the following is a vertebrate? The correct option is option C, Petromyzon. Petromyzon, other than lamprey, belongs to vertebrata class Cyclostomata. Question number 28. Which of the following subphyla includes animals with a cranium and vertebral column? The correct option is option D, vertebrata. Vertebrata includes animals with both a skull, either the cranium, and vertebral column. Question number 29. Which is called a living fossils among chordates? The correct option is option D. Latimeria. Latimeria, a lobed-finned fish, is termed as living fossils and a link between fishes and amphibians. Question number 30. Nerve cord in vertebrates becomes the correct option is option B. Spinal cord and brain. The dorsal hollow nerve cord develops into the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. Question number 31. Which one of the following shows retrogressive metamorphosis? The correct option is option B. Herdmania. In Herdmania, the free-swimming larva is more advanced than the sedentary adult, a case of retrogressive metamorphosis. Question number 32. The subphylum Cephalochordata includes. The correct option is option B. Lanceolates. Lanceolates such as Brachiostoma are part of Cephalochordata. Question number 33. Which chordate subphylum is sessile as an adult? The correct option is option D. Urochordata. Adult urochordates, example Ascidia and Herdmania, are sessile unlike other chordates. Question number 34. Notochord in vertebrates is formed from. The correct option is option C. Mesoderm. The notochord arises from the mesoderm, the middle embryonic layer. Question number 35. Which of the following are marine and filter feeders? The correct option is option A. Amphiosus and Herdmania. Both Amphiosus and Herdmania are marine and feed via filter feeding mechanisms. Question number 36. All vertebrates have an. The correct option is option C. Notochord replaced by vertebral column. In vertebrates, the embryonic notochord is replaced by the vertebral column. Question number 37. A true vertebral column first appeared in. The correct option is option C. Cyclostomata. Cyclostomata, example Petromyzon, are the earliest vertebrates with a basic vertebral column. Question number 38. Tunicates are named so because of. The correct option is option D. A covering called tunic. Urochordates tunicates have a tunic or cellulose-like outer covering. Question number 39. Which subphylum includes both free-swimming larval and sessile adult stage? The correct option is option C. Urochordata. Urochordata has a motile larva and sessile adult form. Question number 40. Which feature is shared by both Urochordata and Cephalochordata? The correct option is option C. Post-anal tail, at least in larva. Both exhibit a post-anal tail at least during the larval stage, Urochordata, or throughout life, Cephalochordata. Question number 41. Which of the following fishes is cartilaginous? The correct option is option C. Shark. Sharks belongs to chondrites which characterized by a cartilaginous endoskeleton. Question number 42. Swim bladder is present in. The correct option is option C. Bony fishes. The swim bladder helps bony fishes, osteocytes, control buoyancy. It is absent in cartilaginous fishes. Question number 43. Which of the following is a jawless fish? The correct option is option B. Petromyzon. Petromyzon, either that lamprey, is a jawless fish class Cyclostomata. Question number 44. Fishes breathe through. The correct option is option D. Gills. Gills are specialized respiratory organs in fishes for extracting oxygen from water. Question number 45. Which of the following has placoid scales? The correct option is option B. Shark. Placoid scales are found in cartilaginous fish like shark. These are tooth-like and rough. Question number 46. The fertilization in cartilaginous fishes is mostly. The correct option is option B. Internal. In chondrocytes like sharks, internal fertilization is common. Question number 47. Which of the following fishes is a surface feeder? The correct option is option A. Katla. Katla is a surface feeder. Rohu feeds in the middle column and mrigal at the bottom. Question number 48. Which fish is commonly used in composite fish farming? The correct option is option B. Katla. Katla along with Rohu and mrigal is used in composite fish farming in India. Question number 49. The lateral line in fishes is used for. The correct option is option C. Detecting vibration. The lateral line system helps detect vibration and water movements. Question number 50. Fertilization in bony fishes is usually. The correct option is option C. External. Mostly bony fishes, either that osteocytes, show external fertilization where eggs and sperm are released in water.